Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new Audi A6 73 plate protective halo mini with total kill. So this is a tracking system that can also totally kill and disable the keypad of the immobiliser. If someone got the key and went to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up, but it just won't go into gear. So as you see, it's locked in gear. We'll pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the indicators and we can drive away. With the total kill system, if you gave the code to a friend, they try and drive it without you knowing, you can disable it through the app. So if you've given the code to someone, you don't want to drive it, what you can do, go into the app, totally disable the keypad for entry. So we'll go into the app, click cut off, pop a password in to confirm it's us. Now the command's successful. Even if your friend knows the code, obviously it's not going to go into gear because you've got the immobiliser. They try enter the code, we get no flash, going to be unable to drive it, totally disabled. The car's not going to move. The only way for it to enter the only way for it to take the code, go into the app, recover the vehicle within the app. We'll click recover, pop in the password, tap OK. Now this is successful. It's going to accept that code, so we'll start it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our flash, goes into gear, and we can drive away. This also works in service mode. If you turn the whole system off, took it in for a service and the car got stolen off the forecourt, you can disable it through the app and re-enable it when you get it back. This is the Halo Mini with total kill. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get one fitted.